everyone, it's Maureen and welcome back to the channel. So today we went to Grand Rapids to pick up some stuff, the iPhone, the Apple Watch. On this video, we are going to be unboxing the Apple Watch. The first time I've seen it on some videos of some YouTubers that went to the Apple event. I actually was in love with a jet black Apple Watch. I have the Apple Watch Ultra here. I use it when I go out, not for everyday use. I only use this when I'm backpacking, going to get groceries or going out. You guys know that I bought 4 months ago the Apple Watch Series 9, and that was the pink one, and I did not like that. I cover it with bumper cases. It was difficult for me. I like the thought of pink, but with that one it was just so difficult. With the jet black, hopefully, I know it's 46 millimeters and I think it's way bigger than the Apple Watch Ultra, so we're gonna find that out today when we unbox it. Whoa, that was loud. And 45 millimeters bumpers will not be able to fit in it since it's like 1 millimeter bigger than the 45 millimeters, of course. Because it's jet black, I don't have to use any covering of it to cover the color because it can match with any color. Jet black is such a very beautiful color and it will match every outfit or scrubs that I wear every day, and I'm thinking about using it for everyday use too, so I'm very excited to see it. I've seen it in the store. It was really shiny and glossy. Not a new one, but I love the band that I got. Hopefully I like it. So if you guys are interested on the Apple Watch Series 10 in jet black, just keep on watching. Here you go. So let's move it a little bit backwards here. And it says that it is Series 10, 46 millimeters, jet black aluminum, just GPS. So okay, here we go. Okay, so they have a kind of like minimalist design the inside of the Apple Watch. It doesn't have any colors anymore, but it has all the different kinds of Apple Watches here and the bands and all that, so it's kind of cool. Less is more. We've got this jet black Apple Watch, and we also got the, I forgot this one, the Sport Loop. It is the Sport Loop Black Unity Sport Loop. I think I have one of these, the silicone one. I think I gave it to my dad. So we're gonna unbox this first here. Yep, like an envelope here. Beautiful. And there's one paperwork. This is nice. It's really nice. So it'll teach you how to install it right here. But again, because we don't read stuff, take it off here. Beautiful. See, I like this kind of material because you can wash it, and also I can, like, even if I'm sweating or something. Okay, let's put this back here. And then since we have our band, let's unbox the Apple Watch. That's my new favorite song, guys. Okay, here we go. Oh, by the way, with the box right here, I can feel an embossed design of the Apple Watch in here. So that's a good packaging right there. And here is the Apple Watch. So they said that it's thinner this year. So I feel like it is compared to the other Apple Watch. Okay, let's see what's inside here. And we have the braided charger for that. But then again, I have my own charger, so let's just pass on that. I don't know. I don't even know how to. Let me get my microphone here and push it. I wish there's an easy way to like take this off, especially with people who has nails. Struggle is real. Oh, I love the glossy, guys. The glossy part of the Apple Watch. Let me just peel it. Don't have a choice here. Okay. Oh, restart setup. This will reset device to factory default. But yeah, look at that. It looks so cool. Okay, no. Just stop it. Okay. So I am going to actually attach this. I think it matches really nice. Ah! There you go. Wow. Looks so cool. I love this. It's so thin. Wow. Real thin. Look at that. It's their 10-year anniversary for the Apple Watch. But I don't think they mentioned it in the Apple event, but a lot of YouTubers say that it's been a decade since they started the Apple Watch. I used to not like black, especially with the Apple Watch, but when I saw these jet black with a glossy look of it, I was in love, especially with the color blue sport looped. Oh my god, that was so beautiful. I still chose this one because I love this kind of the black Unity sport loop. Yeah, I'm super excited to use this when I'm hiking or just for everyday use.
Yeah.
Okay, we're hiking, guys. So we are hiking with a new Apple Watch Series 10, and I'm using the All Trails app because I accidentally bought it the other day, so I'll just have to use it, I guess, because anyways, we hike and we do a lot of backpacking, so we'll be able to use it. Maybe it's just thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day and night, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!